Hi, this is Sho.
And this is Linnea. Welcome back to our channel. On this channel, we're teaching easy English phrases for you to learn, so if you're interested in that, make sure to keep watching.
Yes.
So what is today's phrase?
Today's phrase is this one.
It is, do you see dreams often? So what is that in Japanese?
よく夢見ますか?
So yeah, this is just what you would say to someone if you just want to know if they have dreams often. I guess it's pretty self-explanatory, right?
Okay. How about you can say, do you see a dream often? No?
No. It has
Why
to be
not?
dreams.
Dreams, yeah.
I guess because you're talking about like overall dreams, like each night they have a dream or something, so it's more than just one dream, kinda.
Okay.
Yeah.
But if specifically some like before, maybe this guy talking about nightmare or something happen often, something appear often. Specifically, they said that dream is possible, right? Do you see that dream often yet, or something like that?
No, not really.
Okay.
No, it's just dreams.
Just to be dreams.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you see often dreams?
Yes, I do.
What kind?
It completely depends. A lot of times I have dreams like traveling or flying.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, you too, yeah.
Yeah.
I think you've told me before.
Yeah. I see often flying, the kind of diving. So I do scuba diving, you know. So kind of make like a top and going up, and a little bit in hold the breathe a little bit deeper and going up and down. Maybe I feel like it's the sky, but maybe in the sea, maybe I don't know.
Maybe. I've never done diving before.
How about nightmare?
Nightmares, I used to see more often, not much anymore though.
Anymore?
Not as much.
Yeah.
How about you?
I see often, like especially early morning, I could not sleep, and sometimes all of the sweat. But before I saw one dream, I've been in a very deep ocean, and my conscience and getting fading, and I woke up, and my cat, I don't know, was a big cat on my face, so I could not breathe. So I almost like died, seriously.
The cat almost killed you?
Yes, I was breathing very hard. Almost
Bad
died.
cat?
Yes.
They were trying to kill you.
Yep, but it actually happen very often though.
Oh really?
Yeah, still I was adult, was okay, but if it's a baby, you know, it's a very huge cat, cause the breathing, right? So very warm around the hair.
Yeah, right.
So cats love the warm place. So cats sometime on the baby, so baby cannot breathe. So sorry about it's going. So actually common.
Oh no, that's so sad.
Yeah, have to be careful.
Yeah.
Yep. And how about? Did you recognize sometime in a dream? So you are seeing a dream.
Oh, like a lucid dream?
What's it called?
A lucid dream. That means like you.
Lucid.
Lucid. Yeah.
How does it spell?
Lucid.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lucid. So that's when you recognize.
Yes. Yeah.
In a dream. Okay. How about? Did you see? Lucid.
Yeah, I've had before, but nothing too crazy, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. How about you?
I used to try to recognize in my dream, but it's very hard.
Is it?
Yeah, of course, it's very hard.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah,
it's not really natural.
I've heard one thing: if you wanna recognize in your dream, and put a finger on your hand, and just push it before you sleep all the time.
Wait, why?
Yeah, and pushing, right? And until dream, so you finally fell in asleep, and still you're doing in a dream like that. So sometimes you recognize your finger go through your hand, right?
Does that happen?
But I mean, that's in your dream. So you can recognize, you know. I cannot do it, but all the time you're doing this in your dream. Sometimes go through. So you recognize, I'm maybe.
It's just because you have your fingers open.
No, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
No,
I'm just saying that
heart.
because that's what you did.
Yeah. That someone said maybe you can try that.
But I feel like in my dream I might like make up that I can still feel it though.
Really?
Maybe.
What do you mean? Your makeup? Makeup? Are you using makeup with?
No, I would make up in my mind. That like pretend in my mind that like it's normal.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really? Oh,
I don't think I would be
real life. Your finger like appears.
like I don't think in my dream I would imagine I would be like see through or something. I mean.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think I would imagine that. I mean.
I mean, you're gonna surprise maybe. What's happened? I couldn't.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. So maybe something is different. Why? Might be a dream. I don't know. What?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. But I see there's a lot of like experiments like grass, right? And of course they gonna like put something electrically. They can calculate this guy sleep or
Curry.
not. No, calculate. Curry. Yeah, brain curry.
You said calculate the curry.
Yeah, no, calculate like a brain.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like a signal, and people see okay, this guy sleep, and they put a light on the grass. So maybe they recognize they even asleep something and coming a flash in front of you.
I mean, I think people can do that anyway because they wake up naturally when the sun rises, right?
Yeah, maybe.
So I think that's probably normal.
Yep. I don't recognize.
I mean, that's why it's so much easier to wake up if you have like direct sunlight, you know?
Yep. Of course. In the
Yeah.
morning, everyone.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yep, that's the best idea.
Actually, I used to wake up much easier when I lived in Brooklyn because my window was really big and I was sleeping right next to it. And because of that, I was able to wake up every morning really early. But since I moved here, it's like much darker in the morning, so I have a hard time waking up.
Yep. Actually, that's the best idea. It's with sunlight.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
I think it'd be a lot easier to like wake up early with that.
Yes. Even you said Finland, in the winter time, no sunlight.
Yeah.
So they're gonna buy sunlight system, right?
Yeah, like a
In
lamp.
home.
Yeah.
Yeah. And instead of the sun, they're gonna have the sun, artificial one.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's a good idea. Actually, not really good with a ring. Wake up.
Yeah.
Yes.
I feel like having that would just be a lot easier to wake up.
Yep.
I've kind of considered getting that myself as an alarm clock because otherwise I just keep sleeping and dreaming. It's hard to wake up.
Yes. Eternally.
Yeah.
You never wake up.
Oh, hopefully not eternally, but you know.
Yep, wake up.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways.
Okay, so
repeat this phrase again.
yeah. So I'm gonna say it slowly first, and we'll get a little bit faster each time we go along. Do you see dreams often? Okay, a little bit faster now. Do you see dreams often? Alright, one more time at normal speed. Do you see dreams often? That's it.
Yes.
How did you do? Did you do okay?
Sounds good.
So thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like. And if you have any suggestions for one of our future videos, feel free to leave that in the comments below. And if you're interested in seeing more English learning videos like this one, feel free to subscribe to our channel.
質問等ありましたらコメントに残していただければお答えします。と、サブスクライブもぜひお願いいたします。
Thank you. See you next time.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.